In previous class, we learnt about the Ohm's law. You know Ohm's law, that if physical condition do not change, then potential applied across the ends of a conductor directly proportional to current. But today I will discuss here non-ohmic devices or limitation of Ohm's law. The devices which do not obey Ohm's law are called non-ohmic devices. For example, vacuum tubes, semiconductor, diode, liquid electrolyte, etc. The relation V upon I is correct for both type of devices, that is ohmic or non-ohmic. But if V upon I is not constant, then the devices which obey this, that V upon I means R is not constant, then such devices are non-ohmic devices. The devices which obey Ohm's law are called ohmic devices. The graph for devices which obey Ohm's law is a straight line, but such devices for which graph is not a straight line and it deviate from a straight line, so that these devices are known as non-ohmic devices. And because graph is not linear, so these are also known as non-linear devices. For semiconductor, I am drawing a graph between V and I. It may be in this way. The devices which are heat dependent, one of them is thermistors. What is thermistor? A thermistor is a heat sensitive device. Whose resistivity changes very rapidly with change in temperature. Its temperature coefficient of resistivity is very high. It may be negative or positive. Thermistors usually prepared by oxides of various metals like iron, copper, cobalt, etc. The uses of thermistors are used in temperature control, temperature control units of industry. Second use, used in voltage stabilization and remote sensitivity, and another use in protection of windings of generator, transformer, motors, etc. Another concept, superconductivity. You know conductivity, in which current can flow easily, that are conductor, but in which devices, in which material current flow for weeks and months, such devices and such conductor are known as superconductor. Professor K. Vons in 1911 discovered that certain metals and alloys lose their resistance at very low temperature. This phenomena called superconductivity. When temperature reaches at certain value known as transition or critical temperature, the resistance of material disappears. In case of mercury, transition temperature is 4.2 Kelvin. I am drawing here the graph for mercury. There is a graph between resistance and temperature. If we lower down the temperature at a certain temperature, its resistance will become 0, and this temperature is 4.2 Kelvin, means resistance will become 0. Application of superconductor: they are used to make very strong electromagnet. They produce very high speed computers. They are used for transmission of electric power. Now, another concept I am introducing here, that is Meissner effect. Below a transition temperature, there is no magnetic field inside the superconductor. When such superconductor placed in a uniform magnetic field, this is the uniform magnetic field. If we will study in magnetic effect of current, the magnetic field, uniform magnetic field can be shown by parallel lines spaced equally. If put a superconductor inside it, then magnetic field lines will be in this way, means there is no magnetic field inside the superconductor. Now, I am taking the topic color code for carbon resistor. In the market, the commercial resistors are carbon resistor. These are made by molding carbon into a cylinder with wire leads at the two ends. The value of the resistance of these resistors and their percentage accuracy are indicated by color code printed on them. I am writing here the color. Their code. So, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold and silver. In short, we say red or orange O, yellow Y, green G, blue B, violet V, gray G and white W. The code of black is 0, for brown 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 9. For tolerance, if color is gold, then tolerance is plus minus 5%. If silver, then tolerance is plus minus 10%. If no color, then plus minus 20%. Tolerance means accuracy, which value we are finding. It may be 5% less or 5% more. Now, I am explaining how the resistance of carbon resistor measured. Carbon resistor is in cylindrical form. It has two leads. There are 4 strips. Fourth strip may be absent sometime. First strip give the first significant digit. Second gives second significant digit. Third gives decimal multiplier. Means zeros after second digit, and fourth gives the tolerance. So, one question: I am writing here. For the given carbon resistor, for a given carbon resistor, the first strip be yellow, second strip is red, third is orange, and fourth is gold. What is the resistance? To answer, the first step is yellow. So, we will write for yellow code is 4. For yellow first step 4. For second step is red. So, its color code is 2, and third is orange. The color coding for orange is 3. So, we can write in this way, and gold, so it will be plus minus 5%. Here I am explaining more. First strip is yellow, second is red, third is orange, and fourth is gold. So, we can remember the color coding by this. We should remember B, Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. So, B is black, second B is brown, R is red, O is orange, Y is yellow, Great say green, Britain say B blue, very V gives violet, and good G of good is grey, and W of wife is white. So, here first strip is yellow. So, its color coding will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, first strip is giving first significant figure, first significant digit, and second strip is red. So, 0, 1, 2, its color code is 2, and third strip gives the zeros. If 3 0 we will use, then it can be written as 10 to the power 3, and if fourth strip is gold, then accuracy or tolerance will be plus minus 5%. So, in this way we can write. Another question, if the resistance of carbon resistor is 10 mega ohm, then write the color of strips. In this question, there is no power of 10, it is written at 10 mega ohm. So, we can write 10 mega ohm as, first we will write in power of 10, 10 into 10 to the power 6 ohm. In 1 mega ohm, there are 10 to the power 6 ohm. So, in this way we will write. Now, the colors 1, so it will be brown, because color code here written as 1. So, first strip, first strip is brown, second is black, because its code is 0, and third strip, its code is 6. So, it will be blue. Fourth strip is not here. So, tolerance, because fifth strip no color means its tolerance will be plus minus 20%.